Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Finds Pod. I'm Chris, and as always, I've got Megan here. Today, we're diving into something that's all over TikTok and Instagram, Zoyava sea moss. Megan, you tried it, right? How'd it go?
Oh, Chris, it was wild. I took it one morning, and by noon, I felt like I could run a marathon. Energy through the roof. But then I started wondering, is this for real or just another viral health fad?
That's the million-dollar question. Zoyava sea moss is everywhere, people swearing by it for energy, skin, even anxiety. But is it legit, or are we falling for another trend? Stick around because we're unpacking it all today.
Exactly. So, Zoyava sea moss is this supplement from Zoyava, a 16-in-1 blend with sea moss, black seed oil, ashwagandha, and more. It's got 19,445 milligrams per serving, and they claim it boosts energy, clears skin, supports thyroid health, you name it. It's been popping off online with over 1.2 million customers raving about it.
Yeah, and sea moss itself is a red algae packed with nutrients like iodine and fiber, but Zoyava's twist is making it a mega blend. It's got a 30-day money-back guarantee, made in the USA, GMP certified. Sounds promising, but let's dig deeper.
Here's the thing, though. Health supplements can be tricky. With all the buzz, how do we know if Zoyava sea moss is worth it? I mean, TikTok's full of before and afters, but are those real? And what about the science? Sea moss has potential benefits like immune support and heart health, but research is thin, mostly on seaweed in general.
Right, and there's risks, too. Too much iodine can mess with your thyroid, and we don't know much about interactions with meds. Plus, some reviews feel like paid ads. So, is this a game changer or just another overhyped product?
Let's break it down. First, the benefits. They say it's great for energy, and I felt that. Healthline says sea moss might help with weight loss and immunity, thanks to fiber and antioxidants. Zoyava adds stuff like ashwagandha for stress and turmeric for inflammation, which sounds solid.
Yeah, customer reviews are wild. People saying their skin cleared up, anxiety vanished, even better focus at work. But let's not ignore the risks. WebMD says there's not enough evidence for most claims and too much iodine can be bad news. Plus, it's pricey. $38 to $60 depending on where you buy.
True, and some reviews mention stomach issues or no effect at all. I think the key is checking if it fits your needs. If you're low on energy or want skin support, maybe give it a shot. But consult a doctor first, especially with meds.
And don't fall for every viral post. Look for legit sources. Zoyava's website says it's third-party tested, which is good, but always verify. It's also got a 30-day guarantee, so if it doesn't work, you can return it.
For me, the moment was taking it and feeling that energy surge. It was like caffeine without the jitters. But then I saw a TikTok where someone claimed it cured their thyroid issues, and I was like, hold up, that's a stretch. I checked, and no, sea moss isn't a cure. It supports thyroid health via iodine, but that's it.
Yeah, that's the danger. Viral claims can mislead. Remember that one video with 10 million views saying Zoyava sea moss fixed their sleep? Turns out they were selling it. It's why we're here, to cut through the noise.
Exactly. My takeaway? It helped me feel better, but I'm not banking on miracles. It's a supplement, not magic.
So Zoyava sea moss is a viral hit with potential benefits, energy, skin, immunity, but take it with a grain of salt. The science is shaky, risks exist. And it's not for everyone. Check reviews, consult a doctor, and don't buy into every hype.
Yeah, it's worth trying if you're into wellness trends, especially with the guarantee. But remember, supplements enhance. They don't replace a healthy lifestyle.
Love this chat. Hit that like button, subscribe for more viral finds, and share with someone curious about Zoyava sea moss. Drop a comment. What's your take? Tried it? Let us know. And check the description for links to trusted sources. We've got you covered.
Oh, Chris, before we bounce, next episode's going to be a tasty one. We're talking Shiitake mushroom chips.
Wait, mushrooms as chips? I'm in. What's the deal?
So they take Shiitake mushrooms, you know, those earthy, meaty ones, slice them thin, then bake or fry them till they're crispy. It's like potato chips, but way healthier. Low cal, packed with vitamins and minerals.
Okay, I'm drooling already. Health-conscious snackers are all over this, right?
Totally. It's blowing up with the wellness crowd. People want that crunch without the guilt. I snagged a bag to try. Spoiler, they're addictive.
Nice. I'm picturing us munching these on air, debating if they beat regular chips. Any sneak peek on the vibe?
Oh, they're savory like a umami bomb. But we'll dig into the nutrition, how they're made, and if they're worth the hype. Maybe even a taste test. Crunch live for the fans.
Love it. Shiitake mushroom chips next time. Health snack or gimmick? You'll have to tune in to find out. See you then, Megan.
Can't wait, Chris. Gonna stock up on those chips.